Welcome back, everyone. So we are going to make this fine doll face with this asymmetric waistline, and we are also using black to mix on it. And this is the black that we have that we are going to mix with it. So this one will be the gather that will complete the top. So it's a top that we're going to make with this fine fabric. So please subscribe to my channel and watch my video down to the end, and also share it for others to see so that they too can learn and watch. And please don't forget to stay tuned. So let's get started now. Go ahead now to spread out my fabric like this. So what I will do, I have the back piece. So this is the back piece. So let me place it well. So we'll now use the front piece also like this and place on it like this. And I will going to have my zipper side for the back. So I'm just shifting it a little bit for us to get our zipper side for the back. So this is the back side, and the allowance that we have is 1 inch that we have on it now. So I will start with my length now. So I will place my tape for the upper part like this and get the length. Our half length is 13 inches. So this is my 13 inches. And after that, I'll go ahead now to mark my neckline. My neckline here that I'm having is 3.5 inches. So that's my 3.5 inches. And to bring down the neckline, so I'm going to mark 5 inches like this. So 5 inches. And then I'll curve it. It's a round neck, so I want the neck to come down a bit. That's why I drop it up to that 5 inches. And after that, I will going to take my shoulder slope by ½ inch like this, and then using my ruler to roll it, that is to curve it down, to slope it down like this. So that is it now. So from my upper part again, that is for my shoulder part, I'll place my tape to get my armhole. My armhole, that is the chest line, is 7 inches. So on that line, on my 7 inches, that is where I will place my tape to get my measurement for the bust. So our measurement for our bust is 34 inches, and that is 8.5 inches. Adding 8.5 like this, and add 1.5 inches for the sewing allowance. And then also place the tape on that line that we have on our chest line to mark 2 inches like this. So that is my 2 inches where we will get our armhole curve. And before then, before I forgot, my shoulder is 15 inches. So that's my 15 inches. That is 7.5 on the tape. So then I will rule to have a straight line like this. Then I will now curve my 2 inches that we marked earlier for the armhole like this. So that is our armhole curve now. So to take my waist measurement, my waist measurement is 26 inches. On our tape is 6.5 inches. Adding my stitching allowance, that is sewing allowance, 1.5 inches also. And then I will connect all the marks together like this, from the bust to the waistline like this. Remember, what we are making on this top is asymmetric waistline. So before we do that, we have to join it before cutting that step. So now I'm going to cut it now. So before then, let me also mark our back neckline like this by 2 inches, bringing it down like this. So after that, now I will cut. So I'm cutting from the neck line first, like the back neckline like this. So after all of this, we are going to cut our gathers that we use to complete the top. Remember, it's asymmetric waistline that we are making with this fine fabric. A dog face is what we are using for this fabric. So I've cut the back neck now. So I'm going to cut the front neckline like this. So please subscribe to my channel and comment, share it for others to see so that they too can also learn this style. So let me open the back zip. So that is the zipper side now. So I will go and join the shoulder and join the body before we now cut our asymmetric waistline now. So this is the upper part now. So let's cut the back, the black fabric to complete the top that we are making now. Here is the black fabric that we are going to use. So the length is 7 inches. Remember the upper part is 13 inches. So everything should be 19 inches by the time we hold the shoulder and to fit at the down part. So we go back to 19 inches. So that is the 19 inches that we have now. So I will also going to join this, and this is the one that I'm also using to join it because I want it to have a full gathers. So I will go and stitch it together and take it to the machine to run a stitch and come and show you how to gather it. So let's do that now. I'm going to run my stitch now, so I'm going to show you how to gather it now. So you just pick the thread like this and start to drag it, like to draw the thread gently so that it will not cut. So you just be pulling it like this and it will form the gathers. So after that, now we will now go and stitch it to the upper part of the top that we are making. Remember, is asymmetric waistline that we are making. So this is it. So I'll leave it like this now and come and show you next step. That is for the upper part now. I'm going to join my shoulder now. Now is to cut the asymmetric waistline now. So I'm going to use my tape now to mark the place that I want it to be. So it will be like this. So I'm marking 3.5 inches like this. And then we'll take our ruler to give it that sharp curve like this. So let me do that with my tape and ruler. So just mark it like this. So just mark it like this. So after that now, I'm going to cut it out now. And let me do that using my scissors to do that, to cut it. It's 3.5 that we use from this side and cut it out like this. So that is it. So it's going to one side now. So I will be bringing my black fabric that we gathered earlier and use it to take it down. So this is how it will be. So I will pull it back again so that it will be complete to the waistline. So let me do that now and show you. Now that we have cut the asymmetric waistline now, so we are going to take our measurement now. So my bust measurement like this. This is 34 inches. Remember the bust is 34 inches. So this one that remains now, we'll count it out 1, 2, 3. So that means we'll add 1.5 inches this way. I'm coming to this other side, 1.5. And to the waist is 26. So this is our 26. So we'll count the one that remains there. It's almost 2.5. So take it like this. So 2.5 inches. Take it like this and connect it like this. So then we'll go and stitch it before joining the black that will complete our top. So let's do that now. So I'm going to fix it around the waist, the black, and this is the final look of our top. Is asymmetric waistline that we make on this fine fabric. This is dog face and this is crepe. So this is how we came to achieve this our asymmetric waistline for today. Please, if you don't understand what we just did here, please watch this video again and please subscribe, share it for others to see so that they too can learn and sew for themselves. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Please subscribe.